What dissolves in water? In this module, you will learn about some substances that dissolve in water and some substances that do not. Take a glass of water. Add some sugar to it and mix well. Where did the sugar go? It has dissolved in water. So, sugar dissolves in water. Add some salt to another glass of water. Mix well. Hey, the salt disappears. Thus, salt also dissolves in water. Try to separate the dissolved sugar by straining with a cloth. Were you able to separate it? No. Try the same with the dissolved salt. You will not be able to separate it too. So, there are certain substances like salt and sugar that dissolve in water. Once dissolved, they cannot be easily separated. In a glass of water, put some sand. Stir to mix the sand with water. Did you succeed? No. You can see sand particles moving in water. This means that sand does not dissolve in water. Let the water mixed with sand to stand for a while. What do you observe? The sand particles settle at the bottom of the glass. Now, try to separate the sand from water by straining with a cloth. Hey, you succeeded this time. Put some chalk powder in a glass of water. Stir hard. Chalk powder does not dissolve in water. You can separate the chalk powder from water by straining with a cloth, just like you separated sand. Add some oil to a glass of water. Try to mix the two. Does oil mix with water? No. Oil drops float on water. This indicates that oil does not dissolve in water. If you allow the water mixed with oil to stand for a while, you will see a distinct layer of oil formed on the water surface. You can remove this layer of oil. Thus, oil can be separated from water. Thus, there are certain substances like sand, chalk powder and oil that do not dissolve in water. If mixed with water, they can be easily separated. In this module you have learned some substances dissolve in water. Substances dissolved in water cannot be easily separated. Some substances do not dissolve in water. Substances that do not dissolve in water can be easily separated if mixed with water.